Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today. Now, Bitcoin may start a journey to move up to even $115,000. You want to know why? I've made actually a 15 minutes video talking about Bitcoin, because we know Bitcoin is going to definitely affect all the coins out there right now. So, number one with SHIB is that we saw this little bit of a pattern here that you've broken out of, almost like a falling wedge or a flag here. And once you broke above it, it actually seems like SHIB is still meant to probably go back up to at least 4410 in the near future. One more thing that I do notice now is that we probably could be trying to make another little bit of a trend line here if you look at that. So this right over there, and probably this right over here as well. So we are kind of you know making in another triangle. Probably this is what I'm making up for SHIB at the moment. And here it is. Okay, so if this is going to be the triangle that SHIB is trying to print in, because it's actually valid, you got resistance there, resistance here, resistance there, you got supported here, you had support there, you had some few series of support right there as well. So it's pretty much looking like this to me right now. So you have time until 11th of April, so 5 more days from now, and you get your direction. I think, of course, I'm personally into the uptrend here. It's not biasness, it's just that it's, for so many reasons, I actually see this thing actually pumping up because it's long overdue. Okay, this pump still is just a beginning, right? This to me looks like a beginning. I think more bigger things are about to come. So 5th of April is the time to be. Now, if you do go back up, you're looking for a 61% opportunity in the future. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.